guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today again something very cool, nice, always al bacio. I'm going to make a spinach roll and it's gonna be very easy to make, taste and vegetarian if you want. And I'll show you what we need. We need some, it's half kilo of spinach this, some sesame seeds I'm gonna use, pineapple, salt and pepper, this 85 grams of Parmesan, and 2 egg white. Drop inside a little bit the yolk, but doesn't matter, you can put even all egg. But with the white is a little bit better. Basically, we're gonna blend everything. And slowly you can start put your spinach, Parmesan, inside, some sesame seeds, some pineapple, egg white, salt, pepper. Turn on your oven 200 degrees, and because we're gonna put this in the oven, and I'm gonna show you the process. As always guys, if you like this video, share with your friend, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We go. Okay guys, I'm sorry, but I had a technical problem. I changed my blend. The new triplet wasn't working properly, and I use this. I'm start mix everything, you know, and start coming like I want. Add a little bit oil, I forgot, and now the rest of the Parmesan. I add a little bit more spinach, and that's it. We're gonna blend everything. When everything is ready, I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay? Okay guys, you're gonna have something like this, you see? Very smooth like that. Prepare a tray for the oven. Baking paper, you wet it and work a lot better. Olive oil on the bottom. Your spinach. Try to flat and nice and square. Now in the oven, make sure you don't have any hole. And see you in 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later, right? It's already 15 minutes is out from the oven, and the cooking time is 200 degrees, 18 minutes I left it, okay? Now leave it to completely cool down and separate very gently the spinach. We can put everything we like. You can do vegetarian stuff, you can use some cucumber, you can use salmon, you can use everything you like. I'm gonna do like this, I'm gonna put some cucumber, like this, we put here. I use some dry tomato, just break with your hand like this, if you like. I'm gonna use some mozzarella. I'm gonna add some rocket. And now is the time. Now guys, go. Try to tie it more as possible. You see? Okay. On the top, if you like, some sesame seeds. Peanuts is left. If you like, guys, you know have to. Okay. Guys, my spinach roll is this. Amazing, beautiful. And always, guys, we do something very easy, al bacio, and cool. If you like, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!